Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Volotea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Add button at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the notifications button and click on that. And as you can see, these are the notifications that you can choose from. So you can set if you want to receive them on offers and promotions, on haptic feedback and information bars. And once you did that, just click on the Save Changes button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.